Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the Real Life English Podcast. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful and often painful parts of learning English, making friends. Imagine this. You're standing in the hallway of your new job. People are chatting and laughing near the coffee machine. You want to join. You want to say something. But instead, you fake a smile, take a sip of your coffee, and stare at your phone. The moment slips away. Or maybe you're in your English class. Someone says, "Hey, do you want to grab coffee after class?" You panic. What do you say? Will they understand you? Will you say something wrong? So you say, "Maybe next time," and you go home, alone, again. Let me tell you something. You're not alone in this. And today, I'm going to help you change that. This episode is your complete guide to making real connections in English. Not fake, awkward textbook conversations. Real ones. We're going to cover 85 natural phrases, real-life situations, and how to build lasting friendships, one word at a time. Let's begin. Part 1. Breaking the silence. Starting conversations. Here's the truth. The hardest part is the first hello. But once you break the silence, magic can happen. Let's start with some simple, natural phrases that help you start conversations anywhere. Memory hook. Think first hello. "Hey, how's it going?" "Excuse me, do you come here often?" "That's a cool shirt. Where did you get it?" "I love your coffee choice." "That book looks interesting. What's it about?" "Nice weather today, isn't it?" "I'm new here. Got any tips?" "Is this seat taken?" "Mind if I join you?" "That looks delicious. What is it?" "I couldn't help but notice your dog. He's adorable." "Hi, I'm Daniel. I don't think we've met." These phrases are your keys. Practice saying them out loud right now. Repeat them after me. Pause for shadowing practice. Perfect. These phrases open doors. Now, what do you say next?
Part 2. Introducing yourself naturally and confidently. This is where people remember you. Your introduction makes an impression. Keep it simple. Keep it warm. Memory hook, my name's story. "I'm Daniel. What's your name?" "My name's Sarah. Nice to meet you." "I'm from Italy. How about you?"
"I work in marketing. What do you do?" "I just moved here a few weeks ago. I'm still learning the area. It's exciting. I've been here for about 6 months. I'm originally from Brazil. What brought you here?" "I love meeting new people. It's great to talk to you." You sound great. When you introduce yourself, relax your shoulders. Smile. You don't need perfect grammar. You need connection. Part 3. Keeping the conversation going. But how do you keep it flowing? Memory trick. Think, keep talking. That's really interesting. How long have you been doing that? I've never heard of that before. What's it like? Sounds like fun. You must really enjoy it. What made you start that? I'd love to hear more. That sounds challenging. You seem really passionate about it. I can see why you like that. What's your favorite part? That's so cool. I never thought of it that way. That reminds me of something similar I did once. Let's practice together. Your voice sounds more confident already. Part 4. Showing genuine interest. People can feel when you truly care, and genuine interest builds real friendship. Memory trick, think, I care. I'd love to hear more about that. That's amazing. How do you do it? You're really talented at that. I admire your focus. Wow, that takes real dedication. I'm impressed by your creativity. You have such cool hobbies. That's a unique perspective.
I never thought of it like that. You seem so passionate. That's incredibly thoughtful. I love your energy. Say it like you mean it. Real compliments make people feel seen. Practice with me.
Now, let's go from talking to doing. Part 5. Making plans. Turning small talk into real friendship. Words are nice, but actions build friendships. Invite people. Make plans. Take the next step. Memory hook. Think, let's meet. Want to grab coffee sometime? Are you free this weekend? Let's exchange numbers. Want to check out that new cafe? Maybe we could hang out sometime. How about lunch this Friday? I'd love to show you a great place nearby. Are you interested in seeing that new movie? Want to go for a walk after work? Let's plan something fun soon. Let me give you my contact. When works best for you? I'm free this Saturday. That sounds perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. These are the connection builders. Real friends are made through shared time. Pause for repetition. Let's go deeper now. Part 6. Handling social situations with ease. You're at a party, a networking event, a friend's birthday dinner. What do you say? Memory hook. Think social confidence. Do you know many people here? Have you met Emily? She's awesome. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Daniel. This is my first time at one of these events. Everyone seems really friendly. Great party. Do you know the host well? Mind if I join this conversation? How do you all know each other? This place has such a great vibe. I'm glad I came tonight. Thanks for including me. It was so nice meeting everyone. Now you're navigating any room with confidence. Let's practice. Pause for shadowing. You belong anywhere you go. Part 7. Building real friendships over time. Friendship isn't just one conversation. It's follow-up. It's checking in. It's care. Memory hook. Think close friends. I really enjoyed today. We should do this more often. I was thinking about what you said. I missed hanging out with you. Thanks for always being there. You make me laugh every time. I'm so glad we met. You're such a good friend. I feel lucky to know you.
These phrases are how we move from strangers to friends. Practice them with me. Let's see these in action.
Part 8. Real-life friendship conversations. Practice together. Scenario 1. The coffee shop. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thanks. I love your laptop case, by the way. Thanks. I got it at a market downtown. Do you work nearby? Yeah, I just started a new job actually. Me too. Still finding my way around here. You're not alone. I was in the same place last year. Got any tips for meeting people? There's a meetup every Saturday. Hiking group. You'd love it. That sounds amazing. I'm Mark, by the way. I'm Emma. Let me text you the details. Scenario 2. The gym. Great workout. Yeah, I see you here all the time. You too. Always on the treadmill, right? Training for a 5K. That's awesome. Nervous? A little. It's my first race. You'll be fine. I did that race last year. Really? Any advice? Don't start too fast. And watch out for the hill at mile 2. Thanks. Want to do a practice run this weekend? Sure. I'll show you the course. Coffee after? You read my mind. Scenario 3 and 4. Your turn. Interactive practice. Now it's your turn. I'll say the situation and you respond. Hi, how's your day going? Nice weather today, huh? Want to grab coffee sometime? Great job! Part 9. Secret Friendship Tips. Insider Advice. Let me give you what most learners never hear. Secret 1. Most people want new friends too. They're just waiting for someone to speak first. Secret 2. Compliments are the fastest way to connect. Be real, not fake. Secret 3. Small talk builds big trust. Practice talking about simple things. Secret 4. Don't wait. If you connect with someone, invite them right away. Secret 5. Shared activities build deeper friendship than just talking. Secret 6. Follow up within 48 hours. Show them you meant it. Secret 7. In English-speaking countries, the word friend is used casually. Don't overthink it. Part 10. Mistakes that block connection and how to fix them. Mistake. Waiting for perfect English. Fix. Start with simple phrases. Make eye contact. Smile. Mistake. Apologizing too much. Fix. Speak naturally. You're learning. That's enough. Mistake. Asking questions without sharing anything. Fix. Balance. Ask, then share your story. Mistake. Trying too hard to impress. Fix. Just be yourself. Connect over real interests. If someone doesn't respond well, that's okay. Move on. There are amazing people waiting to meet you. Conclusion. Your English friendship journey begins now. You've just learned the complete system. 85 phrases, real-life situations, mistakes to avoid, secrets to build trust, and the mindset that turns you from an outsider into someone people are excited to meet. You're not just learning English. You're learning how to belong, how to connect, how to build your world through conversation. Repeat this episode, practice these phrases, go out there and try them. One hello at a time, you're building a new version of your life. Until next time, I'm Sophia, and this is the English Confidence Podcast. Keep speaking, keep connecting, and remember, your voice is your power. Bye for now.